Most families think they're prepared for a crisis. Then the crisis happens, and they discover otherwise at the worst possible time. Today I want to walk through 7 signs that your family's financial infrastructure has gaps. Not to scare you, to help you find the cracks before an emergency does it for you. Sign 1. No one outside of you knows where the important documents are. If something happened to you tomorrow, would your spouse or adult children know where to find your will, your insurance policies, your account logins? If the answer is no, that's the first gap to close. Sign 2. There's no designated decision maker for medical emergencies. A financial crisis and a health crisis often arrive together. Without a healthcare proxy or power of attorney clearly assigned, families end up making rushed, stressful decisions without legal clarity. Sign 3. Your emergency fund covers weeks, not months. A crisis rarely resolves in a week. Job loss, medical events, and caregiving emergencies often stretch on for months. If your cushion runs out before the crisis does, you're forced into debt at the worst possible moment. Sign 4. Multiple generations are financially tangled without a plan. Many families today are supporting aging parents and adult children at the same time. Without clear boundaries and a documented plan, one emergency in either direction can destabilize the whole family's finances. Sign 5. No one has talked about long-term care preferences. This conversation feels uncomfortable, so most families avoid it entirely. But when a parent suddenly needs care and no plan exists, decisions get made under pressure, often at the highest possible cost. Sign 6. Beneficiary designations haven't been reviewed in years. Life changes. Marriages, divorces, births. But beneficiary forms on old retirement accounts and life insurance policies often don't get updated to match. This single oversight has derailed more estates than almost anything else. Sign 7. There's no shared understanding of the family's full financial picture. One person often holds all the knowledge, account numbers, debts, passwords. If that person becomes incapacitated, the rest of the family is left piecing together a puzzle during the worst week of their lives. Here's the good news. Every one of these gaps can be closed in an afternoon. A shared document, a single family conversation, an updated form. None of it requires a financial advisor or a lawyer to start. If you recognized 2 or more of these signs, that's not a failure. Most families are in the same position. It just means it's time for one honest conversation this week. I've put together a free family financial checklist in the description below. It walks through exactly what to gather and who needs to know about it. Share this with the person in your family who usually handles the money. They shouldn't be carrying this alone.